This is a product that I've been waiting for. I've been like waiting for it. This is the Physic Cure Cult Moist Eye Compress. This is what it looks like. If you're someone that you suffer from dry eye, you know that it can be very, very discomforting, and I got this compress. So when you open up the compress, this is what it looks like upon opening. It comes packaged like this. I love that it has a Velcro compartment, so you can just store it in here. So you just open up the Velcro and you can store your eye compress in there. This is the eye compress pad. You can see it looks like an eye glasses that you just put like that, and then it has Velcro for the band. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and heat this up in the microwave for 20 seconds, and I just take it like that, put it over my eye. I'm just going to connect it behind. So I'm just going to leave it on my eye for 10 minutes, and I'll come back and tell you how it feels. So the time is up. Oh, it feels so good. It really feels so good. So I absolutely love it. It was very, very soothing. My eyes feels very, very moist, and I'm just gonna show you a close-up. You can see eyes feels really, really moist and really, really soft, and I feel wetness in my eyes. So I absolutely suggest this if you are struggling with dry eye.